other features of Snapseed like rotate, perspective, expand and brush. So first of all we will go to rotate. In rotate section, first of all, when picture will open in rotate section, it will automatically state the angle of the picture. Let's suppose if our picture is like this, then software will automatically straighten up our image. So like you can see now, if I click on rotate, my picture is little bit not straight, so Snapseed automatically straight the angle of the image. So we can also rotate our image like this or this. So the other option is perspective. In perspective section, we can give new look to our image, any creative look we want. Let's suppose this picture I captured with the rule of thirds. Now I want to give first 6 boxes to the sky, so I will do like this. And if I want to so now it look like that I have captured image from low angle, but it's not true. So we can give any angle we want. We can change the perspective of whole picture like this, you can see here. So other option is expand. No, it is this function is not very perfect, but we can give very good look to our image and very creative. So first of all we will open expand option. No, don't do like this, because if we will do like this, our whole image will be damaged. So first of all we will open expand option, then we will be move it a little bit like this. So in that way it will not affect the picture. So you can see here, this is before and this is after. So this is a very good option in Snapseed. So this is my video